Hi there, my name is Tana and I'm joined by my teammates. We're doing the assessment for Lost at Sea activity. I'm joined by
Rajita Pawar.
Myself, Saad Ahmed Siddiqui.
and we have Swikriti. Yeah, I hope that's okay. Okay, so let's start the activity. What was everyone's number one? I chose, I'll just, I chose the 25-liter container of water. What did you choose?
Mine is a can of petrol.
Yep.
My one is same, the 10-liter can of gasoline mixture.
Okay. And what did you have? Oh, that one too. Okay. All right. So for number two, I chose the floating seat cushion because that's basically like a life vest and you kind of really need one of those out there.
I chose a water container for my second item.
Yeah.
And the second item, I also chose the water container, 25 liter.
And what did we choose?
Same.
Same. Okay. And okay, so number three, I chose the 15 feet of nylon rope, just because if we lose each other, we can, have that tied around us, or if there's things in the water, we can go, grab it and stuff.
And stuff. Okay. I chose chocolate bars.
Okay.
Because I like
chose the army rations pack.
Yep. Army rations. And how about you?
A case of army rations.
Okay, same as mine. So we've got another, where did I write mine? The 15 feet of nylon rope. Okay. And so for number four, I wrote the case of army rations because food is important.
for fourth, mine is a shiny mirror.
Oh, yeah.
So that we can have, like, when there's a sun, like this way.
Yep.
Mine 4 is 20 square feet of opaque plastic sheet.
Yep. And confused about the fourth? Did you pick one?
Yes.
Even just any, and we'll kind of figure it out later. Okay, so the mirror, okay. Okay, and then for the fifth one I chose the mirror.
For me, fifth one is the rope.
For me, fifth one is same, the mirror.
The mirror, yeah.
Yeah.
And okay, so maybe we'll leave it
Okay.
and we'll decide the fifth one for Sukriki as a group. Okay. So the sixth one that I chose was the mosquito netting.
Okay. For me, the sixth one is emergency rations, the food.
For
Or the
for me,
army
the
rations.
sixth one.
Yeah, sorry.
For me is the fish, an ocean fishing kit with pool.
Six. And did you choose one? So the army rations, okay. Okay, and then for my seventh, I chose the ocean fishing kit and pole.
For my seventh is that sectant, that the equipment which we can that
Oh,
direction.
Yep.
For me, it's can of shark repellent.
Yep. And okay.
Okay.
Okay, we'll move on. We'll do it as a group in
Yeah.
a moment. So my number 8 was the map of the Atlantic Ocean.
My number 8 is the sheet, the plastic sheet.
Yep.
My number 8 is a bottle of 160% proof of rum.
Okay. Did you have one or no? No? Okay. So my number 9 was the sextant, the first one.
My number 9 is the shark repellent.
Shark repellent. Yep.
My number 9 is 15 feet nylon rope.
Yeah. And we didn't have one. Okay. My number 10 was the 10-liter can of the oil petrol mixture.
My number 10 is the sea chart, the map of the sea.
Yep. Yep.
And my number 10 is floating cushion.
Yep.
Floating cushion.
Okay. And my number 11 was the can of shark repellent.
My number 11 is the floating cushion.
My number 11 is map of ocean.
Map of the ocean. Okay. All right. And my number 12 was the bottle of the rum.
Same, my number 12 is the bottle of rum.
Okay.
My 12 is the chocolate bars.
Yep. 12. And then my number 13, I chose the plastic sheeting.
My number 13 is the fishing rod.
And my number 13 is A small transistor radio.
Yep. My number 14, I chose the chocolate bars.
My number 14 is the mosquito net.
My 14 is also mosquito net.
So 14, 14. Okay, and then my number 15 was the radio.
My 15 is the radio.
My
Okay.
15 is sextant.
Now we have to come at a
Okay.
ending.
Yeah, so I think we have to agree all
At
together
one.
what we want. Yeah, so
Okay, so
I
we
was
can
probably
just
gonna,
give the reasons, like we can just give reason and then we can find a genuine reason
Yeah.
to.
So now what we need to do first.
because I've kind of written down what each of us have chosen, just a little bit small. So for number 1, all 3 of you chose the oil petrol mixture. So we can just put that as our number 1. Did
So
you want to say
yeah, I
why
chose
you chose it?
because we can normally petrol floats on water. So if we have something to get a fire on it, so we can get a fire on water and it can send signals.
Okay. So instead of a flare gun, I see. A little bit dangerous, but we'll do it.
We can do it.
Yeah.
A risk can be taken to
What
save.
did you think, Saad? Is that what you thought?
The second reason for me was I think the boat works on petrol. Hope so.
Yeah.
Hope so. It works.
Okay.
I don't know.
So what did we mostly have? So all 3 of you chose the container of water for
What?
number 2. Yep.
Number 2? Yeah, the container
Yeah.
of water. Yes.
That was number 1 for me because you can survive days without food, but you can't survive without water.
That's why.
So that's very important. So that's our number 2.
So what was the
So-
number 1?
Number 1 was the oil petrol mixture because
As a
all 3
group
of you
decided.
chose
The
it.
same as a group. Okay.
Yeah, as a group.
We need to put this on team ranking. Our team ranking in step 2.
Yep. I'm just writing it in a kind of line right next to what I
Okay,
wrote.
yes.
Yeah. And then for number 3, I chose it, and Suikriki chose it as well, was nylon rope. Otherwise, we've got the army rations or
Yeah,
chocolate
I chose Army
bar.
Rush.
Yeah.
I choose Army Rush. What do you
So-
choose?
I chose
because we had. Yeah, you chose the chocolate bars. So what do we think as a group would be number 3? Because 2 of us did vote for the nylon
Sadly,
rope.
I don't know why I chose chocolate bar over food. I don't have any reason.
That's okay. We all
I
like
just
food.
like chocolate, so I was like, yeah. Chocolate is there.
Okay.
But in the 3, so what we need to write for the team, like the ration or
Yeah.
the nylon rope?
You can just give the reasons, like chocolate bar is cancelled. Sorry, because I don't have any kind of reason for it. So it's between ration and
I think the food is better. What do you think?
kind of want to go with the rations. Actually, changed my mind.
important.
Yeah. So we'll go with the rations so we can.
Okay.
Because rations will keep us much more full than chocolate bars, and your chocolate bars
Yeah.
are gonna melt.
I
I'm
told you I don't
sorry.
have any reason. I was like, just go.
All right. Okay. So number 4, 2 of you chose the mirror.
Yeah.
I chose the rations. So I'd probably just go with the mirror because it's a light source and you could use it. Try and get people's attention all day. So is that okay with everyone?
At the number 4, I choose the plastic sheet. I think.
Oh yeah, you
plastic sheet.
did.
Yeah.
What do we think is more important, the plastic sheeting or a mirror? Because what are we doing with the plastic sheeting? We'd probably just like, if it was raining, cover ourselves.
Yeah, raining or for the high wind.
But if we don't have a mirror, we won't be able, because we don't have like a,
I think it's a mirror.
don't have
by
a
default.
flare gun or anything. So I'd probably use the mirror as a signaling. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. But when it's sunlight, I think when it's the rainy
Well,
season, it's a hot.
hopefully we don't go out in a boat when it's the rainy
Yeah.
season.
We
Okay.
get stuck in summer
Okay.
season, it's okay.
Yeah. Oh, we'll still get roasted out there, but it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so number 5, 2 of us chose the mirror.
Number 5, yeah,
Um,
I chose mirror.
What did someone
A
else
rope.
choose?
I chose
You
rope.
chose the rope?
Yeah.
I'd go with the rope. Yeah. Because
What about you?
if
Sorry, which
say
one?
number 5,
Yeah. Number 5. Oh, the 15-feet nylon rope.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
even
rope.
I'm thinking of rope. So we can go.
Yeah. If it's
Where is-
stormy at night, you
Where
won't
is
get lost.
what's the name? Svikriti. No. She's
Okay. Anyway, let's do number 5 for the nylon rope,
Yeah, number 5. I think nylon rope. You're right.
and then number 6. I chose the mosquito netting, and 2 of you chose the army rations. So someone else there. Oh, and a fishing pole.
I think
Saad.
mosquito net.
I don't
what do you
think
think?
so.
Because
Mosquitoes
in
are
the
there.
middle of the sea, there is
Yeah, we'll
no
be in the middle of the
Mosquitoes.
sea. There could be birds, but
No
I feel
mosquito.
like we'll be fine. Okay, so want to choose a fishing pole and kit?
Yeah.
The number 6.
I think
Yeah,
so.
number 6.
Better
I
than
think number 6 would be replaced from the shark repellent because
or something more important.
this is the dangerous one, the shark repellent.
Okay, so shark repellent or fishing pole?
Because the fishing, you see, in the ranking, he just wrote
Even if
that
we, even
there
if
is
we,
no guarantee
yeah, even if we
we'll
took
catch any
fishing, how will we eat?
Yeah,
We don't have anything
how
to
are we gonna
cook on it.
eat?
We can't eat raw.
We're
like,
we're
kill
gonna
it
die
and
from
eat it.
salmonella. That's what's gonna
Yeah.
happen. Okay, so no fishing pole, shark repellent. Should we
Are
do
there
that?
any sharks?
Okay.
the small sharks.
Oh, there'd
maybe.
be big sharks. It's the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. All right. Okay. So number 7, I chose the fishing kit, which now I despise. What did everyone else choose?
I have
I think
Number
number
7.
the direction.
What
The
did you-
sextant.
Map.
The sextant, the device
Yeah.
with
Oh,
the direction and something kind of.
number 7, I chose the cane of shark repellent, but I think now I
Six.
would go with the floating cushion.
A float.
Okay, so the floating cushion. So it's basically a life vest. I had to look up. I was like, what the hell is this? It's literally a cushion, but then
Cushion.
if your boat capsizes, you put it on like a life vest.
Like a life vest, okay.
Yeah.
So if
Okay, so sextant or the life vest?
a life vest.
Life vest? Okay, so number 7, the life vest. And then, okay, number 8, I chose the map, but I'm like, we're in a floating boat with no motor. Now I'm like,
I think
what
so.
are we
It
meant to do?
replaced by a second because it could give us direction, like rather than map, it could be.
Yeah. Okay. So
But did anybody just have a look on the Coast Guard ranking or not yet?
not yet.
Not
Yeah.
yet?
Not yet. We just have to talk about it and just just do what we're doing. And then once we've filled it in, then we compare. Okay.
Okay.
About chocolates.
Yep.
No, but
Chocolate.
no, second
So,
is
now,
yeah.
so have you just look at the picture of the section? How does it look like? Because when
It
I
looks-
search it,
It's a
really
proper device.
old fashioned.
it's a device
Yeah.
which is
Yeah, it's like
It
like
shows
working with
direction.
some. Okay. So yeah, I think number 8 would be the this
Okay.
device section. Yeah.
All right.
So number
So
8 would be
number
the-
9, I chose that the sextant device.
A bottle of rum.
Otherwise, who else? What else did we choose?
I think number 9.
We have a
Yeah, the bottle of rum, because if somebody is injured, or
chakra
so we
bottle.
will
If
it
it's
would use as a antiseptic or sometimes.
Yeah.
so, it's number 9.
Oh, Sad,
Nine.
you had number 9 as the nylon rope, but we've got that chosen already. Okay, so we also have shark repellent, that's gone.
On
So, God, what did we choose?
bottle of rum.
Bottle of rum. We want to do that one. Okay. Makes sense. It's disinfectant. Okay, number 10. Number 10, I chose the opposite of all of you who chose the oil petrol mixture as number 1. And then you guys chose, we've got the life vest and we've got the map.
I don't think so,
Should
map.
we- No? Okay.
Number 10.
So
We haven't choose yet the plastic sheet. I think number 10 would be
Yeah,
good.
I think so. We can go with the
okay.
sheet.
All right, let's put
Number 10.
number 10, the sheeting. Okay. And so
Number 11 with the
number,
fishing one,
number
or
11.
or the radio.
I chose repellent, so that's gone. So what we've got left is the fishing kit, the radio.
I think the
map.
radio.
I don't think the network will be there. To
I don't
start
think
off the
the
radio.
radio. I chose that last because
Even me,
we're
because
in the
I'm
middle of the ocean. If we can't see anything over the horizon, we're gonna have no, like, it's just gonna be a useless box to us.
I think
We're
map.
gonna
How,
map and
how
radio.
how the map works, because it's like a chart, or it's not the
They
navigation.
both are useless.
I think the map
Because
and
we
radio
can't
would be the
read
last
map.
one. Yeah, useless.
We can't read
Okay.
map. And
Why did
radio.
we go on this boat?
I think number
Okay.
11 would be the fish bowl kit, or the chocolate one. Fish.
Okay, what do you want, Rajita? Do you want chocolate
Chocolate.
bars or do you want fish?
I want chocolate bar.
Okay,
At least I can
Chocolate
eat them.
bars.
I can't eat fish like
Yeah, because we can't
Okay.
cook on the in the ocean or in the boat.
Yeah, hopefully we're not out there for too long. So that was number 11. Okay, number 12.
I think mosquito
I
net. Number
chose-
12.
mosquito nets. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go mosquito net. So number 12.
And 13 would be the fish bowl.
Yeah.
And
Fishing
12
pole,
and
yeah.
14 and 15 would be radio and the map. Map, I think,
What
is
do we
in the
think
last.
is last? You think the map is last? Okay, what do you
Map.
think? Is that
At least we
okay,
can
Rajita?
try to get an like network for radio. Like
Yeah, but
do
map we
whatever.
can't use it. It's
Okay, all right.
seriously useless.
it can be used.
Okay.
So
Okay,
it's
we've got them all. Should we see how wrong we are?
15. But for me, this is the right. Like if we are stuck, we can use this.
I would have tried to save a flare, but they didn't have any flares. Okay. Okay, so do we want to see what was the actual right answers and we can put them all there, because then we have to do like a taking and dividing. But I think we're
I search and share my screen, but then I will not be visible.
I think it's fine how it is now, because
Okay.
I've got it on my computer next to me here.
I can search.
If you
What?
want me to, so I'll just go down the list what it said, if you like. I'll just wait for Saad, whatever he's doing. Because I'm still just writing this down because I can't put it into the graph yet. Okay, you ready? Okay.
Yeah, I was
Oh,
just
yeah, no
drinking some
problem.
water.
Okay, so from the start, the sextant was number 15. So that's the least important one.
That what
It says useless without the relevant tables and chronometer. So it's
you're
like
talking
just
about
the-
the US ranking at the
Yeah.
last, the
yeah,
coast?
this
Okay.
is the Coast Guard ranking and the reason. So the sextant, it's like we could have that part, but it's missing all the other bits that make it work. Yeah. Okay, number 1 was the shaving mirror.
Wait,
And what we said.
do we
yeah.
have to write?
I'm just writing it on my paper, and
Uh,
then we've got to do like some calculations
Correction?
to get our score. Yeah.
Okay.
So 15th is the
15 is the sextant. So at the start of the list was the sextant.
It's the most useless on the
yeah.
sheet.
Most useless, yeah, because
Oh.
it's like missing all its parts. And
That
then
it-
the shaving mirror was number 1.
So
Because
we
it's what we said, you can use it. It's very handy.
Number 2 is the 10 liter of gasoline.
Yep.
what was number 1? Mirror.
Shaving mirror.
Number 2 is a pet.
The
But I have a question in my
gasoline.
mind. When we are in the middle of the ocean, so sometimes the weather change when it's raining. So how can we use this? The mirror.
And if the mirror is there, if lightning comes, can't it directly?
That sounds dangerous.
Ah,
Then how can we
Dangerous.
use
It
this?
says it's number 1 from
Yeah, it is
the
dangerous
US
because if
Coast
lightning
Guard
comes,
said it, so we have to believe it.
Maybe I think they're right when there is no raining or something.
yeah,
Yeah,
Maybe.
hope
they've
so.
probably gone
that-
out during the right season.
Yeah, but why will
Um,
we go on a rainy season to in the sea? If we are going for boating, we will go on a sunny day, not on a
Yeah.
rainy.
No, when the weather turns to the rainy one, so
Okay.
it would be the disaster.
Number 3 was the container of water, because we need it or we'll die.
So we are close enough
Yeah. Yeah.
to it.
And number 4
number
is
4.
the army rations, the food.
The
Yep.
food.
Number 5 was the plastic sheeting. Oh, because we can collect rainwater
Oh.
and
So what?
shelter.
So now
So
they are
they-
raining.
Winds and the
Now
waves.
they are thinking that it
No,
will
it's
rain.
raining.
Now
Yeah,
it's
so it is
raining.
raining.
It's raining.
Okay, all right. We're out in the rainy season. Okay, 4, 5, and number 6 was the chocolate bars.
Number 6 is the chocolate bars.
What is your
What?
reserve food supply? Okay, all right. I guess any food is good food then. Okay, number 7 was the fishing kit with the pole. Ranked lower than the chocolate as there is no guarantee you will catch any fish. The pole might be used as a tent pole, because we could use the pole with the sheeting and create like a tent. So we don't even need the fishing kit. We just needed the pole. All right. So that was 7. And then number 8
Is a rope.
was, yep,
Could
Yeah.
be used to
grab equipment and stuff. And then number 9 was the floating seat cushion.
seat cushion.
Yeah, used as a life preserver. Life vest.
Cushion is
And number 10 was the shark repellent.
Shark.
we are horribly wrong.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then, yeah, number 11 was the rum, 80% alcohol, used as an antiseptic. We just can't get drunk or we will dehydrate. Okay. Yeah.
12th is
Number-
12 is the radio.
yeah, so it says out of range of any radio station. Okay.
And the 13 is the Atlantic Ocean map.
Okay.
Without,
Worthless without navigation.
without navigation, yeah, the same.
Hmm.
And they put 14, the mosquito net.
Yeah.
No mosquito in the middle. Yeah, the mosquitoes. We also put number 14, the mosquito net.
Oh, we are.
Yeah, you
I-
did.
I put it mosquito. Yeah, even you. I think so.
Number 14. No, as a team leader, we put 14.
We kept 14 for a radio.
Oh, yeah, radio, sorry. We put 12 on the mosquito net.
Okay. So what we have to do now is I've made a new column on my page and we have to do the difference between our individual choice and the right answer. And then there's another column for what we've done as a team and the right answer. We just have to write like the number difference between them.
But how we can like mark it? Because
Yeah,
we
so
have
it says
to-
the lower that our results, like, so it says down the bottom the scores. If you get really low, like 0 to 25, you've done a really good job.
But how will
The higher the score.
But how can we calculate like 0 to 25? How do we know it?
can we score them? Like,
Yeah, so for example, our first one was as a group, it's
it's kind of
we
pet-
chose
Yeah,
the sextant
just
as number 8, but
Yeah.
it's actually number 15. So
Yeah.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 9, 6 difference. So we're going to put 6 there
okay.
as in the group one, and then you just kind of go down and count the
Calculate.
difference. So there's
Calculate each and everyone.
2, 3, 4.
So when we
Yeah.
calculate, when we put it on over there.
Yeah, we have to add it all up. Oh my god, it's gonna be bad.
Oh, need to add it up. Oh,
Yeah, we're gonna add it up.
Both group and individual.
oh.
We can do individually, group and individual, so then we can tally like
Maybe we will go in the poor one, 56 to 70.
2, 9, 2,
So
1.
it's recording as well, but we are only 3 people here. So what about the
Yeah.
others too? Because we will not have time in the upcoming days. We have to work or
We might
So
have
it-
to ask them to send us what they'd write, like what they thought, and then we can just provide it in, at the end of our assignment
so
or
maybe
something.
I think so would it be the final work or we need to do it again or
I think we've got this for us 3. If not, Swikriki as well, we can just say what happened, or Swikriki can send us what she thought, if she just gives us a list of what she thought, and we can put it in a document, because we have to provide a kind of document about how our chat went.
Mhm.
So any kind of little transcripts or conversations or anything, we can just write what happened. She had technical difficulties, but she was here. Yeah, even we can screenshot her chat if it doesn't record in the Zoom. Yeah,
she is here. She's here.
She's here.
yep, yeah, so she's here. So I feel like we could work something out. She has replied in the chat to a few of them, but even if you just send us a list with what you do think, and you have contributed that way, is that okay?
So I think this is the final. I think we just do not need to wait for the Hussein.
Yeah, even again, if he just sends us a list of what he thought and a reason why he's not here, that'd be great. Okay, I'm
So
just
now we have to
doing-
calculate and then find the difference. It's too much.
Yeah.
It's 0.
I'm about to calculate our results.
So if I have ranked it 2 and 1. Nah. Even have to give it in minus or something.
No, you just kind of do
But-
that difference. It doesn't have to be minus. You just count the difference between our answer and their answer in between. Ooh, I got our answer as a group.
Mm.
I think I did it right. 45.
We
so
can
we're
time.
not
So
as bad as we thought. It says 33 to 45 is average.
at least we are an average.
Seasick, hungry, and tired, rescued. Okay, yeah, we did it.
Not bad.
Yeah,
Not
did.
bad. Yeah,
So how is the difference between the group and the
that's the difference
individual versus
between
the
the
group?
group and
The group
the
and the
C
correct
card.
answer.
So
Oh,
we
the group
just have
and
to
the-
do the difference between our individual scores and the Coast Guard. Should we do that to see kind of what we ended up with?
It's 2, 3.
I think I died alone. Yeah, I think
Wait.
I shouldn't go out alone. 7 plus 8. Okay. I got 66. So I was rescued, but only
I was
just in time.
40.
Cool. 40. Wow.
What's
So
for?
40 is so same as the group. So average, seasick, hungry, tired, rescued.
And what was our score as a group?
As a group, I think I miscalculated one of them. Give me 1 second. 15, take it. Sorry, we actually got 46. So fair. Dehydrated and barely alive. Tough but rescued.
Yeah. It's like we have just saved our lives at the corner, at the edge of dying.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone
We have saved.
calculated this?
At least we
I'm
know
not
we
sure
can
how long this
survive.
recording's going to be. I'm scared.
At least we know that we can
Yeah.
survive a situation
Can you
like
please tell me how much would be the total of the original rank, the correct answers?
The total of the correct answers.
how can it be?
Wait, do you mean the group?
The correct. How you
Okay, so
took out the ranking?
yeah, so if you see, we got the section as a group, we said 8, but the right answer was
Yes.
15. And so just like 15 take 8, and that
15
difference in
minus
between
8.
is,
Okay.
yeah, 7.
And
then
Yeah,
the
so just
other
do that
number.
with each
I
thing. You
think
don't
so
have
he
to
would be
minus anything,
he would
just
be saved
that
like
difference between answers.
very well. Individually, he had done better than us. In both of them, I have been like at the edge of dying, and somebody came in.
What did you get, Saad?
I'm just doing it.
Okay.
But like for the for the container, I put on number 2, and the correct ranking
Yep,
is on
so
number
1.
3.
1.
So 1,
Yep.
like in the minus or
Just 1. You
Positive
put
one.
the number 1.
Okay.
Our group total is 42.
Is it? No. Maybe we really survive? Okay. I'll recalculate mine at some point. 42.
And something.
I probably counted it way too fast, but anyway. I'll do that again. I'll check that. But we're in there. We're in the
Yeah.
average. Yeah.
Survived anyhow.
After Saad's let us know, maybe we should stop recording just so the file isn't too big to send to everyone.
It was fun activity.
Yeah, it was interesting.
My score is 26.
What was it?
26.
26?
Yeah.
He
Is it?
No
survived
way.
fully. He's like passing, flying
What?
colors.
Oh my gosh.
It's
I literally
26 here.
grew up on a boat and I wouldn't survive.
Because when I compare with my individual ranking with the correct one, so the difference is 26.
Wow, okay.
Mine is 40. It's double yours.
40, 26, 40.
For me, group and mine is only 2, like, yeah, 2 digits different.
And what about the
Yeah.
group? What's the
42.
ranking of group?
Producer says it's 42.
42. Okay.
It's coming different.
Oh,
It's coming 44. I calculated twice.
okay, it's somewhere around that amount.
It's 44.
42,
44.
44. Okay.
I calculated thrice.
Yeah.
I'm doing it now again. Maybe I was wrong.
For the
Oh,
first.
no.
I'm just checking my differences. I have made. Oh, I made a mistake in difference. You are right. You are right.
What was it?
Yeah, it was my mistake. I made mistake in like taking out the difference.
It's 46,
It's 48.
48. Okay.
I think so. I'm got mad. I'm not. If Sad, what's your answer for group? So we can get a
Sir,
conclusion.
just give me 1 minute. Yes, my result is 26. I done it again. It's 26.
26. Okay.
Yeah, it's 26.
Right.
What was yours?
Mine was, I'm hoping it, wait, give me 1 second. Yeah, mine is 66.
Okay.
Bad. It's bad.
60.
Died.
No, I didn't die, but I was on the
Edge of dying. Okay.
edge of death.
But only just in time.
Yeah,
It's,
I
it's
may possibly recount. But you know, I'll let you know if I find that it's different.
Okay.
Okay, I think we should stop recording now.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.